matters of governance is critical. So when we do call upon you to come and engage with us in the national government, please always come. Mimi natakia nyinyi mema. We miss politics a lot kwa sababu hii kazi rais amepanga ya uchumi na nini imetutoa kwa siasa. Tuko kwa numbers, kupiga hesabu nini, ni kazi ngumu. Sasa nimeona Honorable Mishi Mboko here. Ameongea vizuri sana, dada yangu. You've spoken very well. Sasa nikauliza rais, is this Mishi Mboko ile mjumbe ya Likoni? Because he speaks very well mkikutana huko. Lakini akifika pale akishika microphone, anatoa maneno mpaka unashangaa. So I think politics is very interesting. With those very many remarks, let me request you to be upstanding and help me to usher in the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Ruto, to come and address you. Mr. President.
Asanteni sana. Tafadhali tuketi. Mr. Deputy President, Prime Cabinet Secretary, the Honorable Speaker of the National Assembly, the Right Reverend. I thought that is the new, I had somebody else say it. And I thought because he is Papa Waroma, maybe he now qualifies. The Right Honorable Speaker of Senate, former speakers, leaders, House leadership, commissioners, members of Parliament, former members of Parliament, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Coming to Parliament is truly a homecoming of sorts. These premises were my workplace for 15 years. And I had tremendous